Hey everybody, welcome to this channel. And in this video, I'm going to tell you and show you how you can fix the issues if you are not getting birthday notifications in Facebook app. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Also put your likes and make sure to write your comments at the end of this video. So, let's get to our topic. And to do that, open up the Facebook app on your phone. Then at the bottom, go to the menu section. And when you're in the menu, you'll need to tap on the gear in the top right corner to go to Settings. Now swipe down a little bit and go to Notifications. Next, also swipe down a little bit. Here you will see birthdays and click on them. As you can see, I've turned them off now. If you have Facebook birthday notifications turned off, you'll also have everything looking the same. In order to activate them, you just need to enable this button right here. And also at the bottom, activate all of these buttons if you have them disabled. But if you're still not getting notifications about someone's birthday on Facebook, even after you've done that, then I suggest you go to the Facebook homepage, click on the search magnifying glass, and in the search box, type in the word birthday, and then you'll see a section like this. You have to click on it. And this way you will see a list of people who have recently had a birthday or who are about to have a birthday. For example, next month, in a month, and so on. And this way you can keep track of your friends' birthdays. I really hope that in this video you are able to see how you can fix unreceived birthday notifications on Facebook. Please don't forget to put your likes, write comments, and also subscribe to our channel. See you soon.